In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you want to use in this view and launching it in the background, like that. Now click on the icon of it available at the top and select Freeform. If you prefer, you can also use this Freeform button at the bottom between padlock and scissors. Wherever you decided, after a few seconds, your app will be opened in this little window. Now to move your window around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. If you want to use it in full screen view, drag it all the way down until you see white section, this one. Then let go to use it in full screen. If you want to minimize your window, you can click on this button at the bottom right corner and then home one. Then click on tiny bubble to access your window again. You can also click on the icon you just used to move your window, the line at the top, and select minimize. In this section there is also full screen one. Now, if you wish, you can close your window by tapping on the same line and selecting close. You can also just drag your window to remove section at the bottom and let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!